If you have ever wanted to remove unwanted objects from your photos or videos without complicated editing, AniEraser might be exactly what you are looking for. In this video, I'll quickly walk you through what AniEraser is, its main features, pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth using. What is AniEraser? AniEraser is an AI-powered tool designed to remove objects, people, watermarks, and backgrounds from both images and videos. It's developed by HitPo and is available as a desktop app and mobile app, making it accessible for beginners and casual users. Key features. Number one, we have object removal, photo and video. You can easily erase unwanted elements like people, text, or logos with just a few clicks. The AI automatically fills in the background to make it look natural. Number two, video object removal. This is one of its standout features. Unlike many tools that only work on images, AniEraser lets you remove objects from videos frame by frame using AI tracking. Number three, batch processing. You can edit multiple files at once, which saves a lot of time if you are working with large projects. Simple interface. The tool is very beginner friendly. You just select the area you want to remove and the AI does the rest. How it works. Using AniEraser is pretty straightforward. Import your image or video, highlight the object you want to remove, click erase, export the final result. That is it. No advanced editing skills needed. Pros. Very easy to use, works on both photos and videos, good AI results for simple backgrounds, saves time compared to manual editing, available on multiple platforms. Cons. Results can struggle with complex backgrounds. Video processing can be slow on large files. Some features require a paid plan, not as precise as professional tools like Photoshop. Pricing. AniEraser offers a free version, but it comes with limitations like watermarks or restricted exports. To unlock full features, you'll need a paid subscription, which is fairly standard for AI editing tools. Who is it for? AniEraser is best for beginners, content creators, social media users, anyone who wants quick edits without learning complex software, and if you are a professional editor, you might find it a bit limited. Final verdict. So is AniEraser worth it? If you want a simple, fast, and AI-powered way to remove objects from photos and videos, then yes, it's a solid option. But if you need highly detailed or professional level editing, you might want more advanced software. And that is it for today's review. If you found this video helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe for more quick reviews like this, and tell me down below in the comments if you have used AniEraser before or not, and tell me more about your experience. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.